Is it time to buy or sell Cyngn stock? In this video, we will explore Cyngn in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of July 2025, our system has categorized Cyngn as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.68. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a loss of 19.73%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.47% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 46.42% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 46.42% to 320.93%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -96.20%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to -80.01% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $1.32. Our latest daily update for Cyngn features the headline, "A challenging day on Wednesday for Cyngn Incorporated stock after a decline of 4.91%. The stock price for Cyngn Incorporated decreased by 4.91% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. The price dropped from $6.93 to $6.59. Throughout that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 9.08%, ranging from a low of $6.50 to a high of $7.09. Notably, the price has declined in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 27.5% during this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 159,000 shares, although this was accompanied by falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting that risks may rise slightly in the coming days. In total, 380,000 shares were exchanged for approximately $2,510,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $1,312.49, while the lowest was $3.62. Currently, the stock price stands at 99.5%, or $1,305.90, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $135,128.89, below the all-time high on the 25th of October, 2021, when the price peaked at $135,135.48. Cyngn recently reported its second quarter financial results for 2025, unveiling a significant $32 million capital raise that will extend its operational runway through 2027. This funding underscores the company's commitment to growth, particularly with its new, expanded headquarters in Mountain View, California. The strategic relocation suggests a readiness to increase production capacity and foster innovation in the autonomous vehicle sector. Moreover, Cyngn is enhancing its cybersecurity posture by engaging DRATA to pursue SOC 2 and ISO 2001 certifications. This initiative is critical for building trust among clients and investors, especially in an era where data security is paramount. The recent surge in Cyngn stock, which saw an increase of over 300% following a partnership announcement with NVIDIA, highlights the market's positive reception of the company's prospects. By leveraging NVIDIA's Isaac robotics platform, Cyngn aims to optimize its autonomous vehicle technology for industrial applications, which could lead to increased efficiency and reduced operational costs for its clients. In the short term, these developments may fuel further investor interest, driving up stock prices as Cyngn continues to establish itself within the robotics and autonomous vehicle markets. In the long run, sustained growth and successful partnerships could solidify its market position, potentially leading to a stable upward trajectory in stock value. especially if the company continues to innovate and deliver real-world returns on investment. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Cyngn stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Cyngn. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Cyngn Inc. is indicating sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, there's a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $7.18 and $8.92. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 27th of June 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 59.64%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal observed 28 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 200 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, identified 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, recorded 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal detected 6 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, sell signal, noted 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal, recognized 27 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Cyngn. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.01 and $4.99. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to decline to the next support level. In this case, Cyngn Inc. finds support just below today's level at $5.01. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.99 and $4.95. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, and with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 590 cents between its high and low, or 9.08%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.1%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Cyngn, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, there's the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts currently project a consensus estimate of negative $2.74. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Cyngn. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Cyngn is at $7.20. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Cyngn encounters its first support level at $5.01. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Cyngn from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 6th of May, 2025, when Petritis Martin Stephen conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Cyngn stock a good buy? Cyngn Inc. stock currently presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Cyngn Inc. will exhibit weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we expect Cyngn to open higher by 137/100ths of a dollar, starting trading at $6.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.